Hey guys, how's it going? How to change Amazon Prime Video region. So make sure that you updated the app to the latest version, and then go ahead to the official app or website and click on the accounts and lists, and then select your account and navigate to your Prime membership section and select or change your country and region. Here you can update your address to the desired region that has the Prime Video content that you want to access, and follow the prompts to confirm the change. You may need to provide a valid payment method and address for the new region. Log out of your account and log back in for the changes to take effect. Keep in mind that changing your region may affect your access to certain content and subscription benefits. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.